If you can see my haircut, ignore it. It's the COVID special. Today it's just a little, very quick video, I hope. But if you can hear that, metal on metal. So this is just my 1/4 inch, which I use a fair bit actually. So I'm just going to grease it, and I will get the grease. So I hope you guys are staying safe with this pandemic. You know, it's funny, I mean, it seems like you talk to 10 different people and you'll get 10 different responses to this pandemic. But anyway, yeah, we're in a lockdown here, so everybody is losing their shit. You know, I follow the rules. You know, you follow the rules. The best, not that I think the government is, you know, the answer for it all, but anyway, this is the grease that I use. It's full synthetic. It's good for all temperatures. I usually, I can't say usually, but I use this white lithium grease a lot for these things. But I just find in the winter, and white lithium grease is good, mind you, but this here is for as often as you're going to grease a ratchet. I mean, it's not like you're at it every week or anything. Let's see here. Yeah. Well, I was just working on the car, so that's water. But anyway, I'll see it. See what you can see here. But if you see that, be careful with the ball bearings. Don't lose any of them. That's for when you switch right and left, you know, tighten, loosen. But as you can see, there is no grease whatsoever. So still in the shot here. Yeah, all right. But it's a very simple procedure. I'm going to check this. I don't know, but whatever this thing is called, the drive, square drive. The teeth look okay, but all right. I'm going to put. Actually, what I'll do is put a little bit of grease there. And so I just usually I'll put a little bit here, and you don't need to go crazy, right? And then I'll move it over to the other side. Put a little bit there. And I usually put a little bit on the plate, the backing plate. And make a mess. But anyway, that's how simple it really is. All depends. It depends on the type of ratchet. I did have a few. What are you seeing here? I did have a few. I won't say a lot, but I've had a few people ask me, you know, what is my long-term goal for the channel? And you know, to be honest, I never really thought about it. When I started this channel 8 months ago, I did it because I just wanted to help somebody, because I felt I had the time, and you know, I just felt that when I got on YouTube and I needed to, you know, build a deck, you know, because I was in a situation where I just paid other people to do things. I never you know, I was living in the big city, and I just paid other people. Me and my wife paid other people to do it. So right now, you know, when I moved here, you know, you're learning things. I never had to take a lawnmower apart. I never had to, you know. So I got on YouTube, and I looked up videos, and you know, you just really appreciate videos, genuine videos, not production. I'll call them production videos, where it's more, you know, cutting in and out is done, never a problem. Oh, you know, you take this alternator off, and it's like, and then there's channels that just work on new things, just take them apart just for content, and they have their place. I'm not saying that they don't have their place, but the guy that's not a professional, just doing it on, you know, winging it, sometimes you learn a lot from other people's mistakes. So I just figured, well, you know, since I'm doing it anyway, maybe one of my videos could help somebody. When it come to money, it never entered my mind at all, and I didn't really even, you know, I know I'm naive, but I didn't at the time. I just didn't realize that YouTube, you could make money on YouTube. I never really put any thought to it, but I did open a channel to experiment and just put some videos on there, and I was flabbergasted at the responses to some of those videos. To answer your question, my long-term goals for this channel is to help as many as possible in whatever capacity. And if I was to make money, since I never thought about it before until I got the questions, if I was to make money on YouTube, say I got $250, you know, this month, or however it works, I don't even know how it works. So say every couple months you get a couple $100 or something, right? I would take that 200 and ask you guys, what tool would you want me to review, right? And it's not going to be just all tools. I mean, I would buy material to do something that I could video, you know, as well. But just as an example, I would say, hey, what tools would you guys want me to buy and review? And if there was a certain tool that, you know, the majority was saying, yeah, I agree, I would like to see this, and it's expensive, then I just save up the YouTube money and put in a little bit of my own and buy it, use it, abuse it, and give you guys an honest review. To buy a tool and give a review and maybe give it away, right? Something like that. Anyway, that's grandiose plans, but I never thought about it until I got the emails, and you know, I try and answer as honest as I can. So that would be my goal. Stay safe, guys, and I really do appreciate you watching the videos, and see you next time.